What's up mga pangyaw, it's me, Cam Possible, ginusto niyan, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I edit my photos in my Instagram using VSCO. So let's go to the app, then click import a photo. Now I'm going to select these 9 photos that I want to edit. Now I'm going to select one photo and let's start editing. So sit back and enjoy. Sakay na. Sorry na, hindi na ako magsasalita. Now that we're done editing, you just have to click save. And if you want to edit more photos using the same filter, you just have to select the edited photo, then click more and click copy edits. Marami kasi. Then select the unedited photos, click more, then paste edits, and done. Pwede ka nang mag-post ng picture at magpa-fall sa crush mo.